So what I'll do now is I will do a preview and I'll pause the video here. So my preview is just about to finish. It's on 94%, my 600 DPI preview. Okay, just finishing up. Now this black border here, that's the underside of the scanning lid. So it's not a border of the photo. The photo outlines where the colour finishes. So also I have a big question. Can I scan this black area, which is not part of my image, without affecting my colours and exposure and so forth of this image when I do a raw linear scan? The reason is I'd like to crop later in photo editing software, external photo editing software. So it's a lot easier for me if I can just put the image that I want to scan in the scanner and not worry about cropping at this stage, because I don't like to crop in VueScan. Yeah, so just like to know, will the black area, the scanning lid area, affect any of my colors, exposure, brightness, gamma, or you name it, of my picture? You can see the crop marching lines here. I have not brought them in. I'll just leave it at the full A4 scanning bed size. So now I'm going to pause the video and do my 1200 DPI scan. Okay, my 1200 DPI scan's just about to wrap up. On 99%. Okay, now I know this is a gigantic file. It's 9,921 by 14,031 pixels, 1200 DPI, 210 by 297 millimeters, 835 megabytes. As expected, it's a very flat image due to it being a raw file. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take a look at my image. This is in Fast 1 image viewer. Looks a lot brighter on the video, but on the actual computer monitor it's very dark. So that's how the raw file comes out. Now I just want to have a look at the histogram and see if that means anything. I'm not sure of what that represents, if that histogram, what it means. So just from my lay person's perspective, I assume that that histogram means that none of the colours have been altered during this scan. So now I'll just close VueScan for a moment. Sorry, that's fast stone image viewer. So I'll change my source now to File. And the raw TIFF I created was raw 2. So now I just want to see it back in VueScan. So I'll hit preview. Now this is, I'm assuming, I'm looking at the raw linear scan that I was after. Once again, this black, thick black border here is the underside of the scanner lid. And I hope that scanning that hasn't affected my color values in my actual print. So that I'm not sure of. This scanner doesn't have an option for focus adjustments, as far as I can tell. So if I'd be very interested in finding out any help you could provide me with this. Thank you very much for watching my video.